we're solving this example algebraic equation with multiple unknowns in it, or multiple variables. Our unknown is x, so we're going to solve for that. So the first thing that we want to do is rearrange these terms so that all the terms involving x are on one side and all the terms not involving x on the other side. So if I take this, I'll go ahead and erase the instructions here just to give myself room. So the first thing that I need to do is, well, I have a lot of options. What I'm going to choose to do is get all the x stuff on the right hand side. So I will subtract 2x from both sides. And so when I do that, I will then get, now I have still 8z on this side. The x stuff on the left goes away, and I'm going to have 4y plus 4x minus 2x. Now you probably are able to group those terms involving x together right away. I'm just going to do it very slowly in this case. So, okay, before I do that, I want to get, I still got some stuff not involving x on this side, namely that term with y. So I'm going to subtract 4y from both sides. And when I do that, that's going to give me 4x minus 2x is equal to 8z minus 4y. Okay, and now I can combine the terms on the right side. So 4x minus 2x is just positive 2x. 8z minus 4y. Now there were lots of different choices that you could have made. If you didn't do it exactly as I did, that's fine. I kind of looked ahead and saw, well, I don't like dealing with negative numbers unless I have to, and so if I moved the x stuff to the right hand side, I saw ahead of time that would be a positive number. Okay, so now that I've done all my adding and subtracting, which is my rearranging of terms, now I divide. So when I divide this side by 2 to get rid of the coefficient of the unknown that I'm trying to isolate, then I need to divide the left side by 2, which means I need to divide each term by 2. Okay, and so when I do that, that's going to leave me with just x on the right hand side, and then I can do some simplification there. So 8 over 2 is 4z, and then negative 4 over 2 is negative 2y. And so that's the expression that I was looking for. Now I would be doing this because, say, I've been given in the problem, if let's say z equals 5 and y is equal to 2, which I think is different from the quiz question that I'm asking you to complete. So I can plug those in, and when I do that, so I would plug in the 5 here and the 2 there. So I'll go ahead and rewrite it. That's going to give me 4 times 5 minus 2 times 2 is equal to x. So I get 20 minus 4 is equal to x. So I get x equals 16. Okay, so just as a check of your understanding, I'm going to have you solve this or plug in different variables for this number, and then I'll go ahead and have you also solve this equation for y. As extra practice. So start with the same equation, but rather than solving it for x, solve it for y.